Top 5 apps like Skyscannernet reviews that actually work today. Skyscannernet is a top choice for finding flights, but most people get this wrong by not exploring other apps with comparable deals and user-friendly interfaces. The surprising truth is there are multiple reliable travel apps that actually work today. First, Kayak compares flights, hotels, and rental cars with detailed pricing and flexible dates. Users highlight price alerts and smooth booking. Second, Hopper predicts flight prices and tells you the best time to buy. App users appreciate easy-to-understand insights and notifications. Third, Momondo searches multiple airlines and booking platforms for cheap fares. Many travelers report reliable deals and intuitive interface. Fourth, Google Flights fast search engine for flights with flexible date tools. Users praise simplicity and accuracy. Finally, Expedia combines flights, hotels, and rental cars with verified reviews and secure booking. App users highlight convenience and loyalty rewards. Pro tip: enable price alerts and compare multiple apps to maximize savings. Flexibility with dates can significantly reduce costs. These 5 apps make finding flights, hotels, and travel deals simple, safe, and efficient.